Hey, I'm Khloe and welcome back to my channel. If your curly routine doesn't last, if you find yourself making your hair wet all the time and you wake up with a nappy head, then this video is for you. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Okay, so this is how you refresh your hair. I'm going to show you how to sleep with your hair and how to refresh your hair. So, especially for the girls with short hair, what you'll need is this. This is like magic. I don't know where I got it from. I think I was doing someone's hair and just landed up on my wrist and I still have it. So this, and you'll need a sleeping cap or a scarf. And then to refresh, you'll need an oil. My oil is Alvive Extraordinary Oil. It has the 6 thingy bobbins in there, and then you'll need a spritzer refresher spray. So mine is the rosemary one, and this is $20, guys. So get yourself this. Okay, so this is how you sleep with your hair. So your hair would be down, obviously, you know. You just take everything gently to the top. It's okay how it looks like, something like that. Take your curls gently to the top over there, for the short curls, and just wrap this around. So basically it's a pineapple, but it's not a pineapple. It's a bit more looser. So that's how it should look. Okay, and then you take your sleeping cap and you put it on over. So you just do that and you can sleep and sleep and nothing will happen to your curl. Okay, so we wake up in the morning, you know, for my ladies that go to work, because guys, literally I only wet my hair on a Tuesday and on a Friday or Saturday. On a Tuesday and a Saturday. That's the only time I wet my hair. The rest of the week my hair is dry and it's looking gorge. So we take our sleeping cap off, we leave our pineapple the way it is, and we take our refresher spray. So I added water. Mine is like that much left, so I added water, like that much water, because what I would do is first go around with water, then go around with this. But because I've made this with water, I can just go around with this like twice. So saturate your hair, make it nice, not wet, just damp, right around. Give it some extra, because we're going to bring the curls back to life. So we're going to reactivate the products that we already have. So make sure you give it a lot. Let that get in there for a bit. Then we loosen the pineapple. We shake the hair out, but be gentle. Because you see, we can still work with some of these curls. Maybe just fix the two in front. So you put your fingers in and you start shaking. Shake for the back. Shake it loose, bring it together, loosen it up. So before we put our spray on, we take some oil. Open. I take 2 pumps for each side. I do this, this. Okay, and for the other side, 2 pumps. Okay. Now we take this, go right around. Ooh. scrunch it in. So scrunch, scrunch. Okay, and then because I like my middle part, just give me a second, I fix these two curls. And I literally just do this, take it apart from the rest, take my spray, spray on there, go through, go through, scrunch it up, and that will dye look cute. Here it is frizz. I add some extra water, spritzer, whatever we're gonna call it. Scrunch it up. We do the other side. Because your whole routine can look fresh if these curls in front are popping, trust me. So just keep twisting. Finger coil and another finger coil, and then I separate and I scrunch the side. Okay, so far we're looking good. It's just this one side. And this is the end result. Or we can take this from behind the ear, just have it like that. And eventually the dampness will dry and your curls will be popping. So yeah.